Wait, no.
Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower.
I don't want to make this sound like it's been an easy process or a one-way out for me, because it took half a year to finally give in. I'm also not here to justify my reasons, because I'm done owing an explanation. Some people will support me and some will talk down to me like they know what's right and wrong for me in the comments. And also, I could have easily hidden this, but no. I choose to transparently share my good and ugly health journey, as I've always done. I know this can be triggering for someone, and if you're that person, I respect you. I get triggered watching other people's journeys too. And for that, I would rather you leave this video or this channel as a whole. I am tired of people faulting me for vulnerably sharing the ebbs and flow, the reality of weight and what it does to me. This has been my whole life, my everyday reality. It's what consumes me. And guess what? I get to say that I'm doing this for me. Why should I apologize for that? I gained a solid 15 pounds in 4 months, maybe even 20, but who's really counting? Clearly not me. I tried overcompensating my overeating with, let me just cook it at home, it's healthier that way. I've had it. The recycling of self-hatred and self-loathe. So I sought out help because everyone else was doing it, and me hate watching these influencers did my mind no good. Hey, I'm being honest. No, but really, it was time for a consultation with a medical professional. One thing led to another, and we're here. Here's my semaglutide. Syringes. How big is the needle? I'm scared, brother. I guess it's fine. Apparently, you're supposed to change the injection sites. What do you think?
Right there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Should we go lower? They're like right here. Okay, so I found my injection site. I'm doing it on my stomach first. I was gonna do my thigh, but I got nervous because my thighs are muscular. I can't even see past my boob. My tactic is pinching my stomach hard enough so that I can't feel anything. Since he's a PA, he knows how to do it. I'm at a super low dosage, only point. Oh wait, I'm so scared,
No.
babe.
I promise, it's so tiny.
I'm so scared. Babe, I'm so scared. I've never done this before.
Sit down.
No. Wait.
It's so tiny. Do you
so-
want to see it?
No, I think I
It's
saw it.
so tiny.
I know,
Here.
but I'm so scared.
Ready?
Babe,
Sit down.
I'm so
Sit
scared.
sit down. You won't feel it.
Sitting will help?
Yeah, because you're gonna run away from me.
You think sitting with my belly even more out?
It's fun.
Oh my god. Wait, what are you gonna, I'm not even joking. I'm so scared right now.
I'll go 1, 2, 3.
No, don't even tell me.
Okay.
Wait, no. I'm scared.
Ready?
Are we done?
Huh?
Do.
Are we done? What do you mean?
Is it finished?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess you can't really feel it to this much.
How tiny it is.
Oh. The needle was like this long. I got my first injection. Oh my god, I just got my first injection.
See? Not bad.
Yeah. I'm not
First
trying to be
normal.
dramatic, but I can't believe we did it. I'm gonna put the semaglutide back in the fridge. Good morning. Today is the next morning. I took my semaglutide last night and I woke up thinking that I didn't take the right dose. So I freaked out and I was like, oh my gosh, I was reading milligrams and not milliliters. So we're all fine after Mr. PA did the conversion. Last night when I went to bed, I thought I was like a little bit nauseous, but honestly, I think it's just the placebo in my head. I was fine. I knocked out. It must just be my excitement because this morning I was like, I'm not hungry at all. I'm not even thinking about food at all. Maybe I'm gonna start feeling that way and that's gonna be so cool to feel. I've started loosely calorie counting again, and there's a couple reasons. One, medical advice stated that I should still hit a safe amount of calories due to the lack of appetite. And two, I'm not restricting what I can eat, but how much I eat. So it's safe to take notes on consumption of calories in case I overindulge, which is my track record. And you know, in my past time, when I did calorie count, I did it very dangerously. And so I'm being intentful, I'm being aware, while at the same time, no more balls to the wall. I'm going in this knowing that I finally have the help I need, so I have to be twice as diligent so nothing's wasted. It's not cheap. Get your money's worth. Oh my god, I need to share all the symptoms about the struggles I've noticed while gaining weight. I'm at 165 to 167, and the new struggles I've unlocked, not fun. I've gained 10 to 15 pounds. I need to pee and I have to like wipe. I kind of have to like lean against the wall so I can reach behind. My limbs are really short. Look at my arm. struggles reaching. That's a struggle now. It's hard to get around the stomach. But yeah, I've noticed that consistently for like 2 months, and I was just like, wow. Yeah, going up and down the stairs, I'm always out of breath. Like at night, I'll run down to get something and come back into bed, and I'm just like panting. I was always like, are you okay? And I'm just like, yeah. I mean, I've always been out of breath, but this time it's been like really out of control. This one too might be TMI, but if you're a lady, just be prepared. And I'm sorry, but it's just the honest, brutal truth. Discharge has been out of control. Like my body has just been out of control. Very frequent and consistent, and a lot. A massive amount. It's like a river, girl. It's like, sometimes I'm confused if I'm peeing or not. I snore. I don't ever snore. I've never been known to snore. Okay, like sometimes when I'm in a really deep sleep, yeah, sure. I snore more frequently now. And that's due to me like feeling my neck a certain way at night. Like when I turn to my left side, I feel like my airways being cut off. When I do gain weight and it happens rapidly, I start snoring because there's a certain, like, I swear I cut off my airflow in a certain way. I don't enjoy walking as much as I used to anymore. I get so tired out so quickly and out of breath, of course. I'm slower. Working out is not as enjoyable anymore. 6 p.m. right now, and I had that lunch and I'm not hungry. Isn't that weird? It's the first day. By the way, I'm having a Diet Coke because I just got done filming for work, and I was hopping and jopping on the beach in sand for an hour. I'm not nauseous. I'm not feeling any of the side effects. At this time of day, I am ravenous for food. I will be killing and scratching an eyeball. Your eyeball specifically, or like something delicious. I don't know if it's the placebo effect or not, but I'm not hungry. Like I feel fine. Like I'm gonna eat though. I'm not gonna be stupid. We just ordered tacos and I'm just waiting. I got some chicken tacos. My appetite. Oh my god. Am I like glitching? Is this how normal people feel? I'm like just so shocked right now. I feel like I'm being played. This is not me. I've never felt this way in my life. Rarely do I ever feel this way. And I'm just like, if this is how it's gonna be, and if this is normal for people, what the actual fuck have I been on? Gorgeous.
This is for a sweet potato.
This is sweet potato, that's feta, and then pickled onion.
Yeah, I don't know if that's kind of gourmet.
Yeah. I'm nervous for the sweet potato feeling like too mushy. It's like Americanized.
There's something sweet in it that I don't with the potatoes probably.
Yeah, these tacos aren't like authentic.
With clouds we're lost in. We drew this life back when we were falling.
I just burned both my fingers. Both of my fingers. It's in so much pain right now. For lunch, I'm having 4 ounces of long grain rice. It makes a difference. 3 eggs. And I infused lettuce and green onion and cilantro into it to bulk it up, to make it feel like a lot. And this is around 396 calories, so like 400 calories. Today is day 3 on my semaglutide. My fingers are fucking hurting. I do have some pepper here. If you're home, you know. My sister-in-law made some and she just packed it for me like that. So I'm just gonna smear that in here for some flavor. The biggest difference when you're making your eggs so fucking delectable, especially if you're Asian, is using chicken bouillon instead of salt. Here's the first bite. Rice, egg, a little bit of everything. I'm gonna get a little bit of that pepper, not too much because I cannot handle. Your semaglutide is gonna go right in and slow your metabolism. That's how you stay fuller. My bowel movement is regular. It's every morning, honey, and sometimes throughout the day because I'm just built like that. I never miss a day, never. The next morning from semaglutide, did not need to go. Second day. Okay, I should probably try to go. I tried and tried. I pushed as much. I don't know why I'm talking about this while I'm eating. That's literally, it's my observation. It was a struggle, but it happened. And then I go ahead and I eat so much pepper with my meals on the weekend. Well, it was like one day yesterday. And at nighttime, it just flowed out of me. So I don't know, because I haven't cracked the code yet. It's only day 3. Maybe pepper is your go-to way of helping you go regularly, or even if it's not regularly, help you just smoothly take it out. Highly recommend. I was in no hurry. I was in no urge. I worked out this morning. I was feeling good. I did so many errands. It's currently 2 o'clock, first meal of the day. Whoops. Oh my god, update. It's not like I have a lot of food left. I have like an egg left, if anything. Really full. And to the point where I kind of like thought about it and I felt nauseous. You know, when you eat too much and you get to the point where you're like, I'm gonna throw up. I kind of felt like that. So I got nervous and I stopped. straight up collagen. I've been taking collagen in my water for about almost 2 months now, and I love it. It's interesting. That's been my first time having this instance. I haven't been on a meal eating and felt, oh, I don't feel too good. I should stop. Clearly not gonna waste that food. I'm gonna have it. I'm just gonna leave it out for a little bit and then I can snack on it. Got clumps. So for me, usually where all my fat goes is right in my belly, my back of my neck area, and then my arms. And then I'm noticing also like my inner thighs. That has been growing. By the way, you guys should check out this freaking cute, soft set. If you are a sweaty girl, you should get this type. Very soft and warm, but it's not like the fuzzies, so then it gets under your armpits when you like take it off, or like feel like your back is sweating. I think it is Leze The Label. I'm gonna link it below. Not affiliated, just want to share. Chickadee chickadees, and I'm a short gal. It's perfect when I put shoes on. Like it doesn't interfere or touch the ground at all, you know? So I didn't touch the rest of my food. I just don't feel like it, but I do feel something sweet. I'm gonna have these Girl Scout cookies, the samosas. 2 cookies are about 150 calories. I'll have another one later, I think after dinner. I just wanna make sure that I'm documenting cookie. It has like a little coconut. I just got done filming a podcast. If you subscribe, you're gonna hear a story about me and my ex-best friend. Lots of drama. Who knows how long that's gonna be. The next few days I found myself eating my first meal anywhere between 2 to 4 p.m. with no interest. This is how my current eating schedule looks like. It's been almost 1 full week of semaglutide. That's crazy. It feels like it's been a long time. I'm having leftover ramen. I know, that is unheard of. Leftover ramen? Yeah, no. Last night, I really wanted something carby, and I know you're supposed to focus on your protein, but I was like, I need noodles. I had 2/3 of it, 2 vegetable dumplings in here. Some friends are coming into town, and there's this Vietnamese place. We love this place. It's like our go-to. Spontaneously, they invited Yuri and I out to go get dinner, so I guess I'm having more noodles. I think there's 2 big common misconceptions about semaglutide. Originally, when I thought, oh, I'll be on GLP-1 when I wasn't educated, I could eat whatever I want and lose weight. I'm gonna munch and lose all the weight. And then I learned about it and I was like, oh wait, nope. You have to really diet and focus on your protein, whatever. Truly, it's a balance. The thing is, I actually can diet. It's not hard to diet. It's not hard to calorie count. It's not hard to be like, oh, I shouldn't have that. It's not hard to be like, oh, I'll just have a little bit of this. And it's not hard to be like, oh, I'm gonna have all of this because I ate really balanced this week. That's the biggest like mind fuck. It's the fact that dieting is not hard. It's not difficult. Because you can control your cravings. I mean, it's only been 1 week, so I don't know. I still have cravings. The 2 biggest things I've been craving, kettle cooked chips. I don't remember the last time I even picked that out. And Diet Coke. For instance, I really wanted a burger. So we did. We ordered fries and burgers. The thing with being on GLP-1, I took a bite, I ate half of it, and then I realized, oh, I'm done. So far for me, it's like you crave things, but you just want like to taste it. It's kind of like you're just wanting a bite of it, a taste of it to satisfy that craving, but you don't necessarily find the need to like finish it. At least that's how it's been for week 1. That's my realization as far as that dieting is not fucking hard. And then if I'm really craving something, I just really want to bite, and then like the idea goes away and I just like don't care for it anymore. I'm at my brother's house because it's Nicholas's birthday. This morning I didn't want to eat. I wasn't that hungry, but I did have a drumstick. I forced it down my throat. I've been craving chips. We have pizza and Chinese food, and I think cracked chicken. I'm gonna feast some of that. So that was my first week on semaglutide. Lots of dietary changes already. I went home and took my second shot, and girl, I swear Mr. PA messed up. The excitement to see what happens next though cannot be contained. Thanks for being okay with this raw journey, and until the next Lose the Weight Bitch episode, remember that you don't fully know what someone's going through, so be kind.
Till I roll,